Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Studio not opening on Windows 11. First, make sure your Windows is fully updated. Open Settings and go to Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install anything available. Restart your PC after the update is done. This helps fix compatibility problems that can stop Roblox Studio from opening. Next, check your date and time settings. Go to Settings and open Time and Language. Click Date and Time and turn on Set Time automatically. Also turn on Set Time Zone automatically. Wrong time settings can cause apps to fail when launching. Now, clear the Roblox cache files. Press the Windows key and R at the same time. Type %local AppData% and press Enter. Open the temp folder, then select all files and delete them. Skip any files that cannot be deleted. This removes broken temporary files that may be causing the issue. If the problem is still not fixed, then reinstall Roblox completely. Go to Settings, then Apps, and find Roblox Studio to uninstall it. After that, open your browser and go to the official Roblox website. Download the latest version of Roblox Studio and install it again. After following these steps, Roblox Studio should open normally on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching.